Good day, sir. Welcome to LCS Cafe. Do you have reservation?
Yes, ma'am.
May I have your name, please, so I can check in our reservation list.
Dylan Joseph.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Okay, sir. Say, please. By the way, sir, I'm Daniel. Sir, sana yung food server for today. Sir, may ako yung table napkin.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please serve Russian ice water. Excuse me, sir. Please serve ice cold water. Would you like something to drink and Russian ice tea or orange juice?
Iced tea, please.
Excuse me, sir. Please serve Russian ice tea. Excuse me, sir. Please have some fresh later. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu for your selection. Ano bang container are you later?
Waiter,
Excuse me, sir. May I tell you order?
I'll have the chicken biryani.
And just to you for your dessert is a mango float.
No.
For your wine is a variety Chardonnay.
Yes.
Okay, sir, may I repeat your order? For your order is a chicken teriyaki and for your wine is a red wine. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir, your food will be, sir, about 50 to 20 minutes. Are you willing to wait?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir, may I set up your table?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir, may I present to you our wine? Brad, ako na kagawa with the content of 2017. Excuse me, sir, may I present to you our red wine, a product of Napo Valley with the vintage year of 2017 and alcohol content of 12%. It is an aroma of lime and apple. Would you like me to open it, sir?
Yes.
Can I pour your wine for you, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Please, sir. Chicken teriyaki.
Wait lang. Ba't kutsara eh?
Sir, may tingnan siya.